Brittany here at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for the inquiry on the Santa Fe. I have one right here. As you can see, you have the honeycomb grille, wraparound LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry. On the inside, you have premium leather, as well as heated seats, panoramic sunroof, but the best feature is going to be the warranty. 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Here at Tameron Hyundai, we're going to double that. 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Again, my name is Brittany at Tameron Hyundai. My number is 205-266-0459. Give me a call. Brittany, Tameron Hyundai, where you love the way you treat it.